let's get started, put everything back together, and let's see how she runs. car currently sits. I have everything back together. We put the heat wrap and the heat shield on for the exhaust manifold, and you guys saw the harness being built. We put the heat shield on there, put the heat shield on the actual oil feed line. I had the reflective tape that you guys can see that I put on the intake pipe and also on the intake manifold, and it does make a big difference. You can actually put your hand on the wrap once you go for a drive, and if you try to touch the pipe there, it's going to be a lot hotter, so it does make a difference. So this is how everything is for the time being. I did take it for a drive and it's much better, but I have this heat shield that's still remaining from everything that I use on the manifold. And what I have seen online, a lot of Supras are using this type of material to actually keep these two reservoirs that you can see, and you can tell the difference of the actual color. This one being closer to the exhaust, the actual plastic you can see is discolored, and this one's still clear. So you can just imagine how hot the fluid and everything else is getting. So I would like to take this piece and stick it in there like that, and protect everything back there. So let's get started. So guys, this is pretty much it. This is how it looks. I got it all mocked up, and so that's one of the holes I'll be using. I got this bolt right here that will go right there, and we have that one that's coming out of the firewall at the back. So I'm gonna put a nut on there at the bottom and then see how it is. You can see the cutout for the actual steering shaft. So let's get it going. Let's get it mounted. guys, this is actually the final step. So once I put the heat shield on, I just realized that all this heat will just be concentrated there and it'll actually start heating up the hood. So I just kind of covered this up with the tape, and I think this should be it, as much as I can do underneath the hood. Other than that, I can start focusing on different stuff and getting this thing up, and there's a lot more stuff coming. So guys, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see anything else, if you would have done anything different, or if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.